How do you tell it's gone? It's blinking.
Every time.
Gotta take a picture. Brutus down there watching you.
I want to keep Brutus out of this one. Keep that water up.
How long will it do the video?
So you stop?
Got that much memory in it, huh?
Yep.
What do you get? Did you get the 32 or the 16 gig?
I think I got a 32. I got a 64, but...
You got a 64?
Oh my gosh, that was way too much oil.
You better take it, pour it on the...
That came out. Bruce, get out of here.
You must learn how to cook.
I don't understand.
Don't know where it is. Ought to be on the other side. Your arm kind of gets in the way.
Come on over. Good suggestion. It'll also get me when I change those dials. That shit's hot.
To stop it, you push that red button again.
Yep.
You did a nice job cleaning up too. I thought you looked good.
Ready to go buy a walker.
I have one.
Where?
I guess it's in storage. I don't know
Oh,
where it's at.
We had two here.
yeah, we had two.
Did we give it to the maids?
Yeah. Don't cook in for me. I'm not gonna have it as good as it looks. Mine's nailed.
Time to make a protein shake.
I might make a. You have grapefruit juice over there?
Yep.
Get some grapefruit juice. You know, Archer, that wooden spoon may work well, but you know where that spatula might work better
I
down
want to
there.
scratch them.
Huh?
I don't want to scratch this.
Not the metal. I'm talking about the plastic one, the green plastic one. What y'all do with it? It's in the dishwasher?
Maybe.
Little green spatula, plastic one?
Maybe.
That's a really good one. There's a longer one handle here if you want a wooden launcher. You want to try this one instead?
Bruce, you want the protein? Want the protein, Bruce?
I want you to burn yourself.
Okay, I like this one. Good idea. I'll do that in a second. Keep going.
Huh?
Keep going.
Yeah, we'll put it down.
I don't need it. I like this one. I don't want to get too dirty.
Because we got all kinds of wooden spoons in there.
Actually, it's not all kinds because it's all one wood. So
It's not all one wood. You can tell the difference. Some are teak, some are oak, some are pine.
Nope. You better pull it out and you better.
It says on there what it is. Did you get rid of them?
Do it, Dad. Do it, though.
We didn't see anything interesting down there. Kind of, there wasn't very many. There weren't a lot of people there. The weather was wonderful. It was really nice. Walked down the beach one time, but we just stayed by the pool. They said down there that usually the good people, a lot of people down there for Thanksgiving come down there and eat some of the buffets they have down there.
Buffets they have where?
Down there at some of the restaurants.
Which
Up
place
in
are you
Trout
talking?
Street. They have dinner
Oh,
at
you're talking about before that.
Trout Street. Where we stopped
Where
at.
did you get food poisoning, Dad?
I didn't get food poisoning.
Where did you eat?
I was sick at the Great Mont Sin. I had one of my attacks of my fatal hernia.
You haven't had those in a while.
Well, I don't eat at night. That's why I don't have them. But I was eating at night down there at home. I should have had a big glass of water.
Steak in that bed and breakfast?
No, Steve's Catch is what's the name?
There's always that bed and breakfast we like drive by. We stopped there before.
Where?
I thought it was a bed and breakfast. Maybe the steak coach only was a bed and breakfast.
That's a hotel. That's a motel down there.
Let's start with a bed and breakfast.
Nicely done. Oh, you're a pro.
Damn it, that's gonna be on video forever.
Smells like straight ass. This ass is about to be in your mouth.
A big old bowl of ass salad.
I'm impressed how long the video works on this thing. So you read where the head of the CIA has resigned because he's having an affair with his biographer. You read that?
Yeah.
So sex trumps everything. His wife was kind of.
Alright. You can turn it off. Thanks, Bob.